Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable filtered mail in Gmail on your PC. Sometimes Gmail's filters can automatically categorize emails into sections like primary, social, and promotions. If you prefer to have all your emails in one inbox, follow these simple steps to disable filtered mail. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, click on Inbox from the top menu. Step 5. Next to Filtered Mail, click on Don't Override Filters. This will disable the automatic categorization of your emails. Now, all your incoming emails will be displayed in your primary inbox, without any filtering or categorization. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.